Tuni ni sim li thajing kumsang ni la som ni lagup ni kho injong thado thu so akunin banoi thu so dang dang ho thado pa ba ngai hla na anei ki taw hite thu so ni sima ba si hlovum census ki bol masanga in RC zo ki bol masen tin tunin JFG students wingin Manipur University Maya protest abolvin ehi that is ka government in NRC chungchanga hil chena he salwa hi le na sa alung so nung thung ding hi simlai ho athiam din akuna ki pin na zo a hung daw ding hi tin FG student winga lam kai kha chun apongin hi integration ki bolola ya nagate chen nagam Assam le Manipur le Arunachal Naga Regional Territory Council NRTCC meeting to agon ekine final ba na ipoi tin NNC na president tuku chun asein hi Bisnupur District Moirang Police Station in Ahop Sunglok Tak Panas and Raching Kom Lai Ta Pumdi Ho Akun Mansai Zat Ham Kimodo Zovin Ahi National Institute of Technology Manipur Adia 13th Annual Convocation to Zinka and Sim for August 2026 Tuesday Nico Zinka Nidan 10 AM Chun City Convention Center Munamang Wait in Aichel News Akun Tlut Kimu in Ahi Thobal Moizing Lengoi Zilakun MD Feroz Lamkum 35 Kiti Pasal Khat Manipur Police on brown sugar 530.66 gram to mancha chule suma rupees 1.81.280 to amando thai tin ekiseye NIT Manipura 13th Annual Convocation City Convention Center Muna ki mangta jikin kiman a simlai jani la somkul ko degree certificate eki hom be hi chila achun BTech simlai 206 MTech 13 MSc 24 le PhD 31 azabin hi institute hi company 45 palin campus placement a panlatan hi chule BTech simlai ho a placement zar 84.5 hi Turutapur District Zaikulang Loktak Project nga Eklep Model Residential School Simlai ho bu ki pelo pi ding dol ki pelo ki musa lo ja boy na so chusi chung chang thu a Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR in inquiry bolanding hi district and deputy commissioner tribal affairs and hills a director hinga sa na nei tan hi Bisnupur District Moirang Police Station Hop Sunglok Ta Parasin Raching Kom Lai Ta Pumdi Ho Akun Mansai Zat Ham Kimodo Zovin hi Greece Gamsunga Firefighting Helicopter Kulit Jin Danis Pilot Khatle Greek Fire Service License Officer ni Thina to in hi tin BBC News Akun Tun Asein hi Chan Chu hi tun la thu so ngai zu Montana tha do thu so ngai zo sen bon zawin mangpha